All my followers and everyone online keeps saying this is the best fragrance from the house of Game of Spades. So you know what? I bought it. Let's see if it's any good. Wildcard. All right, box is felt. Bottle sits snugly in there. I like Game of Spades bottles. I feel like they look premium. They're easy to use. Top sits very snugly on there. Not metallic, but this is super heavy. Just be cautious of that. Atomizer check. Yeah, it's good. All right, I'm gonna put this on skin. We are not even messing around with strips. Oh, that's good. I hope that's good. I just sprayed 3 on my arm. So this is supposed to smell in the same family as Bond Number 9 Lafayette Street. Yeah, it's good. It's got this perfect, sweet, dark, mysterious balance. Yes, it is a sweet fragrance. No, it's not like a Invictus Party Boy fragrance. This is much more of a grown-up version. So taking what would a sweet fragrance smell like and making it suitable for a boardroom. That kind of scent. It has like a dark, almost like a chocolatey undertone, or a little bit of like a woods vibe in there. The woods really do come through nicely. Yeah, I would say this sits in a similar family as a Burberry Hero EDP if you haven't smelled Lafayette Street. Not saying it smells like Burberry Hero EDP at all. I'm just saying that kind of like a sweet, dark, heavy, beautiful, gentleman-like fragrance. I am impressed with this fragrance quite a bit. Now, if it's like Game of Spades Win, which I own, Win lasts easily 8 hours, if not longer. Heck, my niece wore it yesterday and it projected off her heavily, and I only did 4 sprays on her. 4 sprays, and it was blasting. Every time she walked by me, like, oh, Win, you smell so good. I'm really hopeful that this is gonna last a long time. Comment down below, have you smelled it? How long did it last on your skin? I'm hopeful this is gonna be beast level, because I gotta say, I could see myself taking this on a lot of work trips, because this has the right balance of intriguing, sexy, and classy, all in one. Future reviews of this fragrance coming soon.